Katayin niyo Tatay Ubing ni, nakagagagat. Po. Ay, sige. Alis tuam. Alis tuam. Balasang ko. Oh, there. Over there. In the corner. Katayin niyo mati,
I can have a lot more water.
That's enough. Oh, that's enough. Still clean. Oh, kita niyo at po nagkagagatay anak may. Oh. Oh, is it clean? More. How much mommy will gonna pay you again for this?
10.
10 what? 10 pesos?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, there. Po, kata niya mata. Oh, on your playground also.
Playground.
No. On the floor only. Over here also. Nanan. Yeah, mon. Po, talaga amat. Ask mommy for bonus because you're doing great. Po, talaga amat ni po, talaga amat. Oray, mabatbati tayo ubot nan. What's that? Are you tired? Here also.
Oh.
Yeah, over there pa. Po, talaga amat eh.
I'm very tired now, Daddy. You're giving me chance to do it all, but I'm so tired.
You're so tired. More, a little bit more. Ne, do it carefully. Do it carefully, please. Do it properly also, please. Na po talaga gamit ni nagawa naman gurnong tikorta tayo anak ko. Not there. No, no. Kita niyo mati oray nila isim ti kinabannog na first time na agmap. Is this your first time?
No.
No, are you sure? I think it's your first.
Mommy, I'm getting tired.
Dear, oh, underneath the table pa. Oh, underneath the table. See?
No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm very tired.
Come on.
Daddy, it's not about cheering. It's just about for just having fun. But I'm just getting tired.
Okay. Then okay, how much mommy will gonna pay for you this? I think 5 dirhams only.
Fine.
Okay. Oh, kahit nakadot siya nga polo, isang nga gubra man.
Mommy, but I'm very tired. Daddy's letting me have for a long time. I wanna sleep now.
Ay, makaturog ka na bandog. Ay, apo. Kaya tag-tablet ka, no? Nabandugan. That's enough then.